Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade peach cobbler using canned peaches. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 15-ounce cans of sliced peaches, drained well. Also, have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 stick of melted unsalted butter ready. Don't forget 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a small pinch of salt. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get started with the preparation. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, melt 1 stick of butter directly in a 9x 13-inch baking dish. In a separate medium bowl, whisk together your 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and the pinch of salt. Gradually pour in the 1 cup of milk, stirring until the batter is smooth and lump-free. This forms the base of our cobbler. It's time to assemble our cobbler. Carefully pour the prepared batter directly over the melted butter in your 9x 13-inch baking dish. Next, evenly arrange the drained peach slices over the batter. Remember, do not stir the peaches into the batter. They will sink naturally during baking. Place the dish in your preheated oven and bake for approximately 45 to 55 minutes, or until the top is beautifully golden brown and bubbly. The aroma will be incredible. Your homemade peach cobbler is ready. For the best experience, allow it to cool for at least 15 minutes after removing it from the oven. This helps the cobbler set properly. Serve it warm, perhaps with a generous scoop of vanilla ice cream for a classic treat. A sprinkle of cinnamon or a fresh mint leaf can add a lovely touch. Any leftovers can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, though it's often best enjoyed fresh. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.